Hi friends, I'm Tarak, you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the background color as gradient. How to change or how to set gradient background for your design on your Canva. So if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to create a gradient background image or gradient background for our templates. So I'm just going to create a design. So I'm just going to choose this template. So make a blank template. Actually it's on a gradient color. So actually how to choose into gradient. So first of all, click on the image. So first of all, I'm just going to place some image so you can easily understand how it's going to look like. Okay, we just going to place this image here. Okay, so now it will be so nice if I make a gradient background, which is so look. So just click on the image first of all, background, click on this background color, and now you just need to choose, just scroll down, you will see option for gradient. So there is a different type of gradient color, so you can just choose which gradient color is choose for your background for your YouTube templates. So if you need to create your own gradient color template, just come up, click on the add new color option. So here there will be two options, solid color and also the gradient. So in gradient you can add more colors. Just click this and just change the color, and after changing the color you will see a total of 5 styles. You can just choose the different styles of colors. You can just change to, for an example, I just need a red color and also a dark blue color like this. You can just change the different type of shade of gradient colors, so you can adjust the gradient style or you can choose the template color they have been given. So this is how you just create a gradient background on your Canva for your templates. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.